So in this tutorial I'm just going to show you how to start preparing your fair copy map for Barème. So if we go into the ArcGIS tutorials from in the tutorial folder in Blackboard, you'll see that there's this file called Barème map. So if we download that, and it's got download this file called Barème map version 2.mpk. So we want to save this file, so we're going to save it. And it should save that to a file. So I'll look in my downloads folder, and it should be here. Okay, I'll put it in it's saved to my downloads folder. I don't want to keep it here. I want to put it somewhere more sensible. So I'm going to cut it from there, and I'm going to put it in a more sensible directory. So I'm going to go to my documents, and I'm going to go to my ArcGIS folder, and I'm going to put it in this folder called Barème Fair Copy. Okay, so this is the ArcGIS folder for the Barème map. Okay, so if I double click on this now, it should load up ArcGIS. Just minimize this so it's in the window, and you'll see that we've got our Barème map in here. Okay. And it's got all the data that we originally had in here. Okay. Now you want to keep this file up to date. You must not move around any of the folders. It'll only work if it stays within this folder in here. So don't move this folder around. This on your computer. This will be on your P drive in an ArcGIS folder. If you haven't yet used ArcGIS, you might have to boot up ArcGIS to begin with to get that folder in your P drive. But in the next tutorial, I'll show you how we add our field maps and georeference them onto this that we've already got in here, and how we then start adding data.